Hey, it's Darius, and here's a question I get all the time. Which CPA exam should I take first? Right? There's 4 exams. You got to pass them all. Does it matter what order? Yes. Yes, you want to take FAR first. FAR should be taken first because it's going to take you the longest to prepare. After you pass FAR, you'll then have 18 months to pass the other 3, and you'll have already passed the one that's going to take you the longest, and you won't have used any of your 18 months. Very important to take FAR, pass FAR first. All right, which CPA exam should I take second? Does it matter? Yes. After you pass FAR, you want to take audit right away after that because there's a lot of accounting rules needed in order to pass audit. You got to be up on your journal entries, adjustments. You got to know whether the client failed to book a liability that should have been booked at year end because that's part of the auditor's job to look for unrecorded liabilities. So you got to be up on your rules for when something should be recognized as a liability. There's lots of reasons why accounting and journal entries are needed. Take audit right after you pass FAR. So which CPA exam should I take second? Audit. Take audit right after you pass FAR. With my I-75 audit course, it should only take you about 2 months to study for audit. And if you passed FAR already, you'll still have 16 months left of the window to pass the last 2. All right, now which CPA exam should I save for last? Notice I didn't ask you which one should you take third because you want to save Reg for last. So take BEC third, not so much because of BEC, but more because of Reg. You want to save Reg for last. Why? The reason why you want to save Reg for last is because Reg is all about taxes. And tax laws are constantly changing from year to year, sometimes pretty dramatically. So you never want to be in a situation during your CPA exam journey where you've studied for Reg, and then you didn't pass it, then you went on and passed BEC, and then you go back and study for Reg, and the tax laws are all different now. And now you're all confused because you thought you learned one thing and now it's different. So to avoid the possibility of that, pass the other 3 first, and then study for Reg and only have to learn one set of tax rules. So I recommend you save Reg for last, which means you do BEC after you pass FAR and audit. And with my I-75 BEC course, it'll probably take you about 2 to 3 months to study for BEC, which will leave you about 10 months or more to get ready for Reg. And with my I-75 Reg course, it should only take you about 3 to 4 months to pass Reg. And this is probably why I have 85 LinkedIn recommendations, which you can check out here. And then you can hit up some of these people and ask them some questions. Say, hey, is Darius really the kingmaker? What's this all about? Each chapter of the I-75 course has a test at the end of the chapter, along with some video simulations where I narrate each simulation step by step, which is a great way to learn. So hit me up if you have any questions. Go to cpaexamtutoring.com, click the Ask Darius button. I'll get back to you personally.